Hello guys, this is Kingship Catering. Today we're going to be making catfish pepper soup, a low-cost budget pepper soup. I'm going to be introducing the ingredients used for the meal. This is the catfish, already cleaned and washed. We'll be using the fresh pepper. This is blended fresh pepper mixed with onions for seasoning of the catfish. This is the pepper soup spice, blended pepper soup spice, already blended, so it's easy for you to just scoop it into the soup while boiling. Then we have your salt, then finally we have your leaf. It's a vegetable, the scent leaf used for the catfish pepper soup. So it can be used for rice, used for yam. Some people use agidi also to eat it. We're going to be placing the washed catfish in the pot. Then we're going to be seasoning the catfish. We're going to be seasoning with fresh pepper, already blended with onions. It all depends on what you're comfortable with, the pepper you're comfortable with. Me, I love lots of pepper while cooking. We're going to be putting the Knorr cube for tastes. This is the process of seasoning of the fish. We mix it. So just to recap, this is a mixture of fresh pepper with onions and the catfish, so we just mixed all together. Get ready for steaming. This is the catfish, so we're going to be adding water, just little water first for the steaming process. Okay. So cover and allow it to steam for 3 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, the fish is ready, done with the steaming. So we'll add some more water to get the soup ready. Well, at this point we're going to get the pepper soup spice. We're going to put the pepper soup spice now. It's a blended pepper soup spice, so just take a spoon full of the spice and just press it into allow it to boil. If you want a lot of soup, you can add more water while boiling at this stage, or I don't really like it so much. Just fix little water in it to allow it to boil, then I cover it. I think our pepper soup is ready, so we'll put the last ingredients, which is the scent leaf. I love scent leaf so much because it gives it the fragrance, the aroma, pepper soup aroma. Okay, so just mix a bit. Once you just put your scent leaf, just leave it for 3 seconds, then you turn it off and allow the heat to cook the remaining. So I'm turning it off now. Pepper soup is ready to be served.